In a dense, forgotten jungle where vines twisted like snakes and sunlight barely touched the mossy floor, lived Sean, a small Rex with oversized dreams. While the other dinosaurs stomped and roared, Sean scurried and hoped, often teased for his tiny size and squeaky growl. Every day Sean wandered past towering ferns and fallen trees, whispering to himself, "One day, they'll see what I can do." He believed deep down that greatness didn't require thunderous steps, just a brave heart and a clear dream. At night, Sean would lay beneath the stars, tracing constellations with his eyes and imagining himself as a legendary explorer, discovering hidden places no dino had seen before. His favorite dream was finding the legendary Crystal Cavern. The Crystal Cavern was a myth among dinosaurs, a secret cave said to glow from the inside, with walls made of shimmering gemstones. Sean believed it was real, even if the others laughed when he mentioned it. One morning, a strange sparkle caught Sean's eye beneath a pile of leaves. Brushing them aside with his snout, he found a shard of glowing crystal, exactly like the ones from the legends. His heart pounded. This was the sign he'd been waiting for. Determined, Sean packed his favorite shiny rocks and a leafy satchel of dino snacks. He set off alone, leaving behind the jeers and judgment of the bigger dinosaurs. The jungle was thick, buzzing with insects and mystery. He trudged through marshes, crossed trickling streams, and climbed over slippery boulders. Birds cawed above and strange shadows darted through the trees, but Sean pressed on, whispering, "Courage, little Rex, courage." By the third day, hunger gnawed at his belly and his legs ached. A heavy storm rolled in, drenching the forest and forcing Sean to shelter beneath a mushroom cap, but he held tight to the glowing shard, letting its light calm his fears. When the sun returned, Sean continued, now deeper than he'd ever dared. The jungle grew quieter, the trees thicker, and the air shimmered with a kind of magic he'd never felt before. He was getting close. Then, just ahead, he spotted a strange hill with vines like curtains. Behind them, a dark opening? Sean's breath caught. Could this be it? He stepped inside, every instinct screaming with wonder and fear. The cave was cool and silent, but soon the walls began to sparkle. First a twinkle, then a glow, until Sean was surrounded by light, blues, purples, and golds gleaming from every surface. The Crystal Cavern was real, and he had found it. Sean laughed, the sound echoing like music in the chamber. He danced clumsily, slipping on gem-polished stone, his heart bursting with pride. He hadn't needed strength or size, just belief and bravery. He picked a single crystal to carry home, careful not to disturb the beauty. This wasn't just treasure. It was proof of what a little Rex could do when he followed his dreams, even when no one else believed. The journey back was quieter, gentler. Sean walked with a new posture, not taller, but prouder. The jungle didn't seem so scary anymore. It was a place he had conquered with courage. When he returned, the other dinosaurs stared in disbelief at the gleaming crystal. Sean told them the story, and though some still scoffed, many listened with wide eyes and soft hearts. Younger dinos began to follow Sean around, asking questions and begging for tales of his journey. For the first time, he felt seen, not just as the little Rex, but as someone who had done something truly big. Sean started leading small groups into the jungle, teaching them how to explore safely, how to notice the little things, and how to believe in big dreams, even with small steps. He never bragged or shouted. He didn't have to. His story and his heart spoke louder than any roar. He had become a quiet legend, the little Rex who reached the unreachable. At night, as the stars sparkled above, Sean would still gaze up, but now he smiled. He had touched the dream. He had become the dream. The crystal he kept sat near his nest, not as a trophy, but as a reminder. No matter how small you are, your courage can shine the brightest. And whenever a young dino felt unsure, they would find Sean, who always had time for a story, a smile, and a reminder that greatness starts inside. Sean never stopped exploring. He believed the world was full of hidden wonders, Not all of them as shiny, but just as important. He became a symbol in the jungle, painted on cave walls and whispered about at night. The little Rex with the heart of a giant. And long after his tiny footprints faded from the forest floor, Sean's story lived on, glowing, brave, and forever bold. Axel Scheffler style / hand-drawn / Rex / a small Tyrannosaurus Rex in a mossy jungle clearing, looking up at towering ferns and vines / dim forest light, earthy greens, mist in background, hopeful expression,